So today we want to talk about USDA home loans and three of the benefits of that loan, as well as a few of the drawbacks. So sometimes people think that a USDA loan, simply because it's a no money down loan, is for anybody. And unfortunately, USDA still does have some guidelines that they need to follow to make sure that the borrowers qualify. So the three things that mostly will attract buyers towards the USDA home loan are things like no money down. So up to 100% financing, which means that you're typically only required to cover any outstanding closing costs that aren't taken care of by the seller, or any type of down payment assistance loan that you might qualify for. They also have really good interest rates, typically a little bit better than conventional rates. Not always the case, but in most cases, it's a little more affordable, and they have a little bit more flexibility in terms of credit requirements than what you might find with a normal conventional loan. Now, there's also a few drawbacks too, right? So because it's a rural loan, the property that you're looking at or trying to acquire needs to fit the guidelines of rural from the USDA definition. So there's geographic restrictions, and there's websites and maps that you can go to where you can plug in the address, find out pretty quickly whether that property is actually eligible. There's also some income limits. So they'll calculate income limits based on the county or the region that you're trying to purchase in. So someone in Northeast Pennsylvania might have a different qualifying income than someone in Southeast Arizona, and I'm just making up geographic regions. There's also property requirements, and those property requirements will mimic the other government loan programs, so FHA and VA. But all in all, USDA is a great loan program. It does get a little bit of a bad rap because there are some things that need to be navigated by lenders, and if you're not familiar with the program, it can slow things down, possibly cause some delays. But with that in mind, it's a great loan. If you have any questions on that particular loan program, you can reach out at andyloan.com. We'd be happy to help you. You can also go on the internet and Google USDA to get the bullet points. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.